Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Hey riders, welcome back to the Bikers Club channel. Today we're diving into the high-speed world of superbikes, and we've got a real treat for you. The 2024 Bmw S 1000RR. This machine isn't just a bike. It's a racing ambassador to the civilian market, blending trackside goodies with street-legal features. Before we hit the throttle, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell for all things motorcycles. Let's get into it. The 2024 Bmw S 1000RR is a force to be reckoned with. Born from racing DNA, this superbike brings top-tier racing technology to the everyrider. It's not just about podium finishes. It's about fulfilling the 1,000 unit requirement imposed by racing authorities, keeping it legal within the rule set. Expert opinion. Make no mistake, the Bmw S 1000RR is a gift that keeps on giving. Whether you're hitting the street, the track, or both, it's got you covered. The electronic suite is robust, offering built-in safety and endless potential combinations for tuners. The acceleration is blistering, if you have the nerve for it. No wonder it earned our Best of 24 Bikes title. It's a bona fide badass bike. Under the fairings, you'll find a 999cc inline-4 engine, delivering a staggering 205 horsepower, 13,000 revolutions per minute. Torque peaks at 83 lb-ft at 11,000 revolutions per minute. The claw-shifted 6-speed gearbox with straight-cut gears ensures a lightning-quick and precise transmission. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 3.1 seconds. The S1000RR's outstanding performance profile is complemented by an expansive ride control electronic system, providing both safety and performance optimization. Now, let's talk price. The 2024 Bmw S 1000RR comes with an MSRP of $23,985. Keep in mind, this figure gets you into a machine with a rock-solid pedigree, race capability, and a history of dominating the superbike racing circuit. Pros include the outstanding performance profile, expansive ride control electronics, and a rock-solid pedigree. But there's always a but. It's not a bike for the inexperienced rider. Operating it at its full potential can be complicated. Additional racing equipment can quickly balloon the sticker price. In conclusion, the 2024 Bmw S 1000RR is a superbike that doesn't just break the speed limit, it breaks expectations. If you're ready to experience the thrill of top-tier racing technology on the street and the track, this is the bike for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, subscribe for more adrenaline-pumping motorcycle content. Ride safe, ride fast, and we'll catch you in the next one.